I just think life just throws you rocks, and it's just like, how are you gonna deal with this situation? And it really defines your character. I'm Gabby Douglas, 3-time Olympic gold medalist. Gymnastics is just a very artistic sport. When I was younger, I wanted to bring a lot of creativity and make the skills my own. I started winning all these meets, and that was local. But competing on an international stage, it's a whole different ballgame. It's just all mental. Your body already knows what to do, but your mind just tries to psych you out. You have to deal with so much pressure, so many challenges. People telling you can't do it, it's too much. You're gonna mess up. And the media and the commentators were saying, she has no shot. And so you get lost. In 2016, after I came back home from Rio, and I had brought home another gold medal for Team USA. So it's supposed to be, an exciting time, but it was kind of the worst time. I was getting a whole bunch of harassment online. A lot of people were saying just really nasty and rude things, and it got so bad where I would see it on my teammates' pages. And I was like, I don't like this. What changed was my mom changed my mindset. She told me, Gabby, you just can't pay attention to this. Like, don't prove them wrong, but prove yourself right. And also take a step back. Look at all the process, look at all the amazing things you have done. I think it clicked, saying like, I want to stand up and I actually want to do something. I started doing appearances and speaking engagements, and just seeing kids telling them, you don't have to stay a victim, you can speak up, and if you don't like something, then change it. Over time, I've realized that, medals, they're amazing at the end of the day, but that doesn't define your character, that doesn't define who you are. Just focus on the ride, the enjoyment, the passion, and the love. Along the journey, you're gonna have so many challenges, and so many people telling you can't do it is too much, but I just want to encourage women to be strong, to be powerful, and to just have so much confidence in yourself. The future is yours, make it.